Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Hyundai Sonata tail light. First, gather your essential tools like a screwdriver, a socket wrench, and the correct replacement bulb or entire tail light assembly. Always ensure the vehicle is off and consider disconnecting the battery for safety, especially if you're working with any wiring connections. Having the right parts makes the job much smoother. Now, let's access the tail light. Begin by opening your trunk and looking for the access panel or carpeted trim that covers the back of the tail light assembly. You might need to remove a few plastic clips or screws to get this trim out of the way. Once exposed, you'll typically see 2 or 3 bolts holding the tail light in place. With the tail light assembly loose, gently pull it away from the vehicle. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its tab and pulling it apart. If you're just replacing a bulb, twist the bulb socket counterclockwise and pull out the old bulb. Insert the new bulb, ensuring it's seated correctly, or mount your new complete tail light assembly. Finally, it's time to put everything back together. Reconnect the electrical connector to the tail light assembly, making sure it clicks securely into place. Carefully push the tail light assembly back into its housing and tighten the retaining bolts. Reinstall any trim panels you removed. Before you hit the road, test your brake lights, turn signals, and running lights to confirm everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.